Pelonis electric radiator heater, 1500W portable oil-filled radiator space heater with digital thermostat, 24-hour programmable timer, remote control, safe heater for full room. Pelonis electric radiator heater, 1500W portable oil-filled radiator. Why you need Pelonis oil-filled radiator heater? This Pelonis 2018 newest oil radiator with maximum 1500 watts and 7 fins provides heat more effectively and quickly. Several heating modes allow for the energy use optimization, while an adjustable thermostat makes it possible to select the optimal temperature depending on your heating needs. Safety system includes overheating and tip-over protection could eliminate any risk of inflammation and accidents. The heater comes with caster wheels and remote controller, which makes more portability and operates all functions without leaving your cozy chair or sofa. For efficiency and safety reasons, it's essential to choose the right type of heater, and this very model can fully satisfy your requirements.